And I think we're going to start right off the bat on the home page, because there's a lot right here that if you have not been on the home page for a while, why, take a look and you can see where you can get some of these resources. So on the home page, we have a nice call to action here where people can learn more about water. And if you click on that or direct somebody to that, you automatically go to all about water basics, and questions that people would want to know, such as the difference between municipal water, well water, bottled water, and so forth. So that's right there. Now, in addition, there are links up here at the top. Again, water basics, perceptible issues, contaminants, ways to improve your water, water treatment basics, benefits of good water quality, and so forth. This gets more into some of the programs that are primarily focused for WQA members, but here's technical guidance. We have our government affairs tab right here. So if you notice with government affairs, there are fact sheets and other resources, issues regarding counterfeit products. But let's just click on the fact sheets. Look at all of these fact sheets about different water contaminants, different water issues. So if we click on arsenic contaminants in the water supply, here is a handout that you could download and make available to your customers. All of these fact sheets and much of this information, all you have to do is either link to it on your website, or link to it in a blog post, or link to it in social media, or use it as a resource to form your own blog post and then give WQA credit for it.
Right. And another element to think about is you talked about timeliness, new content and timeliness. You can look for news events in your area, or if arsenic is found in water near you, for example. That would be a great time to say, you know, people are concerned about this news of arsenic in our area. Here's the fact sheet. Tells you everything you want to know.